In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Telegram app crashing on your Android. So follow these proven solutions and you can fix it. The first thing you're going to try to do is restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches, which definitely fixes the problem. If that is not the case, make sure that you're using the latest version of Telegram from the Google Play Store. Simply go ahead and check it and update it if it is not. Also, make sure that your Android system is up to date as well. Just go to your settings and go to general settings and you can simply go ahead and update it from there. If that is not the case, you might need to also go ahead and go to settings, go to apps, and then clear the Telegram cache. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. Always make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you could also try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular. If that is not the case, make sure that your battery optimization is always off. And if none of it works, simply go ahead and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for